Alright, so let's start. On the last stream I tested some kind of multiplayer integration for the VR character and the non-VR character, but it's not, looks like a problem with the replication. So yesterday I visited a friend and we watched a film and we talked a little bit about the character classes, and I decided that I get rid of the character classes and give the non-VR player the option to choose between some kind of items and weapons. So every character has the same health. It saves a little bit of work and should be the same experience of a non-VR player. So basically what I'm going to do is to get rid of all the super heavy, medium, light and whatever soldiers and just build the non-VR player character, non-VR player base character. I will try to build some kind of items, some kind of weapon, so automatic rifle, stuff like that. So I try to put everything into the character class because it's the same for every player, so I don't have to communicate between the different blueprints, and so this could be work. I don't think it's cost too much power for the engine or too much not energy, CPU, so I think it's okay. If later on in the game we will try to do some kind of CPU profiling, so I will see if there are any issues with the stuff. So basically I think I just added stuff to the light. Yeah, I was working on on some kind of radar, and my brother helped me with the mathematics stuff, like expression and something, to calculate the specific location of the other character and the range between me and the other character. So I don't delete this stuff. I think I will copy it to the base character class. Probably I will just use the light network character, and yeah, I think I will keep the light and just use this character as light is referring. Wait. So give me this heavy soldier. 3 references. Okay, so this is the redirector. Oh please. Oh yeah. Oh, let me fix that. Give me a sec. No. Yeah, thank you. Great. Shit. Okay, yeah, whatever, I will change later. So, what are we going to do? I have a lobby jam. Let's check that. So, this lobby VR lobby jam. Where's my lobby jam? Let's see. Somewhere I have the... Here it is. We will kill the... So I don't think we need the characters anymore. Yeah, we don't need it anymore. And we should be able to delete the... Where is it? Super heavy? Nope. Was it heavy? Nope, not the light one. Yeah, it's on light and lobby GM. Still there. Where is it? Yeah, I remember. It was available characters. Connected people. What's happened? Thank you. Okay, so let's try it again. Take medium, lobby, VR lobby, media director. So here's the character. Yeah. Thank you. I think there's somewhere a function that is able that is set the available characters, and I think this is a function that could cause the problem to delete the stuff. I could delete it anyway, but we will get some errors. So we will try it. I think it's just because it's not safe. Yeah. False delete. Thank you. Bye. Heavy soldier. I don't need them. There's a reference? The heavy soldier? Why? Where? Ah, here it is. Oh, it's great. You can see here the mathematics math expression from my brother to make the radar. He loves stuff, building stuff like this. Yeah, I built this. This is my way. I built an input to get the I fire a trace, 5 trace, capsule trace in the front of me, and then if I hit the ghost, I get the information and get the result, but I still have to calculate the exact location and range. So I want to build some kind of give me a sec. Some kind of alien radar. I will show you. Yeah, something like this. And for the calculation, it still needs to be math stuff. So my brother helped me, and this is great. It's worked perfectly. But yeah, I'm reference here to the, let's choose the non-VR. And there's not a character. Sure, it's not working. Let's make this. So we will kill that. Yeah, I know. Yeah, so yeah. Okay. I don't want to use it now, so anyway, I don't need it. Okay, so this is like one. Let me delete it. Yep. Oh, okay. I'm pretty happy with my with working with me. Let me delete first. I'm working in VR with the line trace, and it works fine. It's okay. So and for weapons I will work with line trace, and we capsule. I think I could show you what it looks like. Where's the maps? Here. So the light, I think it's here. And I think when I add a light card, it should be fire V. Yeah, here you can see it's firing just one time. Let me pause and play again. This is when the character presses a button, or every second it's fire automatically the line trace capsule, and it works every time, so I don't have any issues. Or you may mean a problem with the casting to the hidden blueprint? Okay, so get rid of this. Yeah, if we I think I would work with it when I have every character could see any other character on the map, and it's just it's ignoring everything except ghost as configured class, but the pure mathematical ways it's way better. Because I just have one enemy, so the soldiers just have one enemy. Force deleted. So this is my parent class. Let's call them non-VR player parent. And we call him non-VR player. So yeah. Where are you going to start? Ah yeah, with the health. So basically what I did is, for every class, every character has his own health. So light gets 75, for example, and everything like that. So I can get rid of the class health and just use the current health, but I could keep it. I don't think it's a problem. So we got the damage stuff. This is fine. This is radar stuff. I think it's a lobby player controller. Yeah, it still was the issue. Get characters. Yeah, this. Yeah, I think before I build the functions for characters, for weapons and items, I think I will get rid of the old stuff, because I don't need the character check. Every user have the same. If I'm joining, he has the same character. Okay, yeah, I have to repair that stuff. So character stuff, character check. Where's the join? There's a loading screen, assigned player, player character, assign selected character. Here it is. So I'm going to start with the UI and character select. So originally you could choose like medium. In the tutorial you could choose everything you want. And Yeah. I think I will delete the stuff and add items or whatever. So, empty button, don't need that stuff anymore. I don't need to fire with select stuff, which is good. So let's check that. I don't, the character check, I don't need it either. So we could delete this, we could delete this. Function. Character select. Do this. The back button is still needed. Here's a weapon assignment. We could delete this. We don't need the character buttons anymore. We still need the weapon stuff. I hate UI. I totally hate that. My buttons never looks like anything I want. Never. So there's the back button. That's great. Horizontal line. Shotgun. Let's copy that. Okay. Copy two more. I don't get it. Anyway, we call this radio button and call this granite button. I don't need the... So this is a character select, this is fine. We don't have under construction, this is fine. Okay, button. Okay, I don't know. So love it. Select a character, I would call that select. Okay, so the player controller of the lobby. Initial setup. Save game, call update, lobby, mouse cursor, yeah, that's correct. Call update, swap character. I think swap character is also not needed anymore. Yeah. So this is a lobby game mode. I'm trying to update the widget with different buttons of other widgets. So you have a widget and have built another widget. I hate widgets, so I will ignore any help from my side. Update everyone. End of players, update available characters. Yeah, this is... Can I delete that too? Yep. Bye. Probably I will find someone who's a profi or perfect guy working with widgets, and I let build them. Okay, give me a sec. Just give me. I'm back in 1 minute. I have to check something. See you. That are fast. Monitors on the wall surrounded by computers. Each computer has a widget and the monitor on the wall has a widget. Each computer has options that option. Oh yeah. Okay, yeah. The monitor on the wall has a widget. Do you have to work with a widget? Could you just use some kind of 3D buttons like for VR, just using something like this? Just can the join game buttons, just a simple blueprint. So maybe it's easier, but I don't know. Okay, update. This can be deleted. I don't need this. This is okay. Lobby blueprint, swap character. Assigns the updated character selection. I cannot delete this because I think that one of the characters widget updates the text in the monitor. Oh my god. Yesterday I tried, no, yesterday, for two days ago I tried to work with a super strange. I have my PC and the work laptop, and I booted both games standalone, ready cooked for Windows, booted both games, started LAN search for one laptop, and wherever I hosted the game, it's not working. I figured, tried it with in the editor in Unreal, start the game, search on the laptop, and the game connects. So I had to figure out that if I'm running Steam in the background, the LAN connection's not working anymore. I don't know why, but it takes, I think, at least 1 hour before I checked that and saw, oh my god, that was stupid. Sometimes you have to fiddle around so many little things just to figure out some small point, whatever. Okay, lobby PC. So, can I get the reference? There's a call update there. Initial setup, call update. We'll disconnect that. I will check that if it works anymore. Assign player. Select the character and tell the one to update. Assign player. I think it's going to probably I will break my game. And I realized right now, shit, I don't have a backup for today. Okay, I think my last one is 2 days ago, and I didn't do nothing yesterday. We will see. Try and error, huh? Okay. Let's save everything. Nope. Okay, VR lobby GM. Oh, it's still the same. And I have to fix that. Okay, respawn players, non-VR. Okay, we can delete this. I have to learn this. As a German, you always, or most of the Germans saying this, T, or I'm just saying this. So I tried this. I hope it's a little bit correct. Okay, anyway, okay, so we host a game. Give it a name, whatever. Oops, join game. I don't have any health, I have to set it up. Oh yeah, the standard spawning character is still the non-parent class. So... can use shotgun. It's the best looking shotgun, huh? I think it's in the lobby. No, it's in the game mode. Player info, I think it was somewhere. I don't need this anymore. Ah, here it is. Yeah, non-real player. Okay, now. Okay, everyone have had 100. Choose a weapon, automatic rifle. Oh yeah, wrong button. We should add ammunition. Oh, just for the server, correct. And this still works. Yeah. Okay, great. Alright, let's clear the stuff a little bit before we start with the other stuff. And let's check everything. So post login, player start. Okay, this is fine. Start the initial setup. And I don't think we don't need it anymore because it's just saving this game. We will keep it and we delete call update. And everyone update, yeah. Okay, let's launch a game. Login update. Set the game, let's set the game type, map ID. This is old stuff from the tutorials from Unreal, and so I followed it I think 2 or 3 days and built everything up, but and now I'm tearing down everything I don't need. Okay, and let's check initial save game. Add a viewport, assign weapon, switch weapon. Visibility, player windows, lobby settings. And I have a strange issue that the game recognizes automatically that you have Steam VR installed and tries to, as long as you have Steam booted. Wait, let me check that. Unreal build. Oh no, it's working. Okay, yeah. So this was the old build. I had an issue that as long as I had that, I want to build some kind of. I think there are people where the headset is always connected and always on power. I have to disconnect it as long as I don't need it, and I will build probably 2 type of start links, whatever, so the headset is not always, or SteamVR is not always loading, just because maybe he won't don't want to play as a VR player, so there need to be an option, right? Okay, this is toggle core server disconnect. This is fine. This is fine. Okay, yeah. Great. Now let me quick fix the VR lobby game mode. Should look like the same. So character, we delete this. Yeah, yeah, and I think that your game could be working fine with teleportation or something, or with a kind of inventory. So I had, on another project I had some kind of inventory on the back. So every time you grabbed on the back and press trigger, you pull out some kind of backpack, and if it's if you release the trigger somewhere in the world, it sticks there, and every item just pops around the backpack, so you could pick it and combine it with the other stuff. It was neat, and a pain in the ass to build, but everything for the game, right? Okay, this is spawning non-VR stuff. Yeah, I saw that there was a game that handled it a little bit the same. They had some kind of a real backpack from the character. You grab that, release the trigger, and the backpack was, I think it's a real size, and it just opened so you could pick an item from it. And my idea the idea was I want to build some kind of VR adventure, so where you have to combine stuff like, okay, you have your inventory, grab the whatever match and the paper and combine it and just press it together and something new come out. So this was the idea, but then I had my knee dislocated and I cannot walk, and I cannot work in VR because if you're not if you're not able to walk, it's hard to build a game that's just for walking in VR. Okay, this is a VR gameplay mode, and I think yeah, it's not ready. Okay. If you want, I can show you the VR functions right now. It's not much. I mean, I can walk, I can dash, I can climb, and I can host a game and join a game, but no other characters appear. Okay, but yeah, if you want to see that, just hit me up in this chat. As long I will build the finished character. So, non-VR player. Oh yeah, just for... Come on. You didn't have streamed the last days, right? Or I missed it every time. Okay, this is finished stuff. Yeah, not really. We don't want the want the health floating in front of the player character, right? Server calculations health, this is fine. This is done. Server fires any damage is done too. On red, this is just health stuff. Okay, right now every oh, this is done. Every time I saw the tutorials, oh cool. So when you, I hope you posting the Kickstarter link on Twitch, so probably I can throw some bugs at you. Switch weapons. Yeah, this is still some not finished stuff, because right now when I'm building, let me see, I think it's a lobby player control. Yeah. So when a player decided to click on the button, this comes from the start here, and we call that. It's confusing. Item selection. Yeah, sometimes I'm starting the stream and trying. For 2 days I tried it for I think 1.5 hours, and I'm close to a mental breakdown. But my brother came up online saying, okay, yeah, we'll figure that out, and we do it off stream. So sometimes it's way better for complicated stuff to do it off stream, because you don't look at the chat and everything. Or on the phone. Yeah. Okay. So basically what I'm doing is when the then the player clicked shotgun, I set an ID, cast it to the lobby player controller, called assign weapons. Assign weapons is a server function who handles. Oh, this is confusing. So the server says the client, yeah, you can switch your weapon. The client fires to the parent class, because the parent class handles the switching the weapon. Server initiate weapon. This is called the server. This is replication correctly done for security stuff, like, okay, this is anti-cheating stuff, this should just do the server, because I don't want that the client can get any I mean, the client can get any weapon as he wants, because you have every weapon and you can choose from everyone. But I think it's kind of smart to say, okay, yeah, the client presses a button, the fire checks if he's allowed to get a weapon, and fires back and handle the with weapon switching. But it's a pain in the ass to switch server. Okay, the server has to tell the client explicit, and the client has to ask the server, can I do this? And the client checks the stuff and push it back. Okay, this is server. Button apply to damage. This is still test stuff. Base damage is done, mouse control, movement stuff, yeah, whatever, line trace and active buttons, so push that a little bit off. I think I have to rebuild this stuff, because currently just checking, okay, you press a button, instantly there comes a shot, then you have to check the timer for the rate of fire from a weapon. So but I'm not able to, or I'm not seeing myself to build the some kind of multi-line trace shots from a shotgun. Yeah, probably it's not that problem, but I want to build some, yeah, you have to build some kind of spray, some random stuff. Yeah, shouldn't be that complicated. Yeah, we'll take it. You mean that the a cone shape? I think I know what you mean, but so probably you will add something like this, and just figure points here. Okay, yeah, this, yeah. We'll see, I have to think about it, how I want to handle the shotgun. I think a shotgun is a must, right? So, damn it. But I still have to do it for, yeah, this is, probably this is a really good idea, because I could use this, I'm sorry. I could use this cone. I don't really need a cone shape, I just need a pie. So a real circle. And I could, yeah, come and sum up some ideas. How to handle the spray. I will test that. Probably off screen. Okay, so I want to build functions for the weapons. I'm just thinking about the some stuff I cannot get in functions. We'll see. I will try it. So, can I create some timers? No, I cannot. Let's call it weapon. We'll probably need a bunch of variables for the automatic rifle. Right now I'm working with the weapon struct. Sometimes you have an idea, you sit on your PC, start something, and at this point you're thinking, is this still a good idea, or is there maybe a better idea? All of it. Okay, right now, the player choose shotgun, call sign, get the ID from the weapon struct, push it to the switch weapon. Here we're calling the serve initiate weapon. Wait. Ah, yeah. Okay, yeah, so and then on the lobby call client switch weapon and take the struct. Okay, so everything is handled, but not the... I just can handle the rate of fire, ammunition, some kind of variables, but not the function. So a shotgun have some kind of rate, or I want to call no. Okay, I think I have to rethink about the weapon stuff because I'm not sure if I have to build a specific function for... Okay, when I'm using wait. Probably when we're going to use sounds, I have to use a function when I'm spawning objects. When I have to use a function. So every time I hit something like a wall or something, I have to use the function. Yes. But I will try to rethink the stuff. Probably we could just set the stuff here. We will put yeah, so rethink it. So from the serve initiate, I just have to push the ID to the player. So I don't have to push the weapon struct on the switch weapon. Just give me that. Thank you. Weapon ID. We'll change that. Yeah, we'll just push the ID over. So the server initiate weapon. Don't need a struct. We'll recall it here. And I think I had it. And we don't want to do it here. Is it on the begin play? I have to think about it. Okay, yeah. I will rethink the whole serve initiate and assign weapon stuff. Yeah. This needs a completely overhaul. This doesn't make sense at this point. Okay, let's start again. So, we fire assigned weapons, execute on server, we're calling switch weapon on the client. Switch weapon. What I'm needing on what is what does the player needs? He needs a weapon struct with all informations coming from the chosen weapon. You don't need the ID, that's wrong. Yeah. I could just pass that to initiate weapon and an initiate weapon function. So when the server initiates weapon, it fires the function initiate weapon. So that was it. That was wrong. I could, yeah. Day 16. Game mode. On. Oh yeah. Maybe I need the client weapon switch. Probably. Okay, server initiate weapon. Alexa, stop. Ja, ich mir auch nicht. Initiate weapon. Yeah, I don't do the return node anymore. So weapon, can I move everything as a local variable? No. Put this calorie. Okay. Yeah, let's promote. Okay, this worked great. Oh no. Okay, I'm initiating weapon. Save as a choosing weapon construct. Define everything. I'm a little bit lost right now. Okay, so initiate weapon. Set this, initiate weapon. Firing the client switch. This is fine. We don't need this. I'll still have to fire it from the server. And it's run on only client. Let's. Oh yeah, I've changed something. Lobby menu. Where's the issue? Here it is. Could cause a problem. Not for this state right now, but probably later. But I could figure it out in 1 year, whatever. Okay, so here's the issue. Yeah, I remember that. It's not client fired. So this is wrong. Shotgun. Oh, it's not a shotgun. It's not switching the model anymore. Oh right, yeah, I'm. Here we go. Right. Press the wrong button, sorry. Host game. Join game. I think I remember that. What? not working anymore. This is confusing. So initiate. Ah, okay. Duh. This is the issue with the some replication stuff. You cannot just push it. Yeah, it's working. So you cannot just say, okay, yeah, put it in a variable and call it later. This is not working. So you have to work. Okay, yeah, if a server fires an event, I give it has a weapon struct input, and the new event needs an input, and have from this input I cannot assign a variable that's local on this blueprint and then call it again to put it in the switch or in another call function custom event when it's not the same blueprint. Is a little bit complicated for me at last. So probably the ready stuff just not working anymore. Join. Accept. Yeah, toggle ready, it's not working anymore. Not that a problem. We'll fix that in sometimes. Okay. So, weapon switch, get the weapon struct, set a skeletal mesh. We call server initiate weapon with which set we choose weapon struct, initiate weapon, and we can use the weapon. Let's test that again. Host set shotgun. I can fire, but nothing happened. Automatic rifle. Yeah. Not handle the rate of fire correctly. Try again. Host. Shotgun. Fine. Automatic rifle. Great. Can I call a function a function? Ah, yeah, right. Give me a sec, I have to check this phone. Okay, and depending on the wait, when I'm set the weapon struct at this point, I'm not working with the idea. Just okay. Wait, here comes the idea. ID. We get the weapon struct. think I still need the ID. Because on the player character I have to choose. So the function needs to know, okay, there comes the shotgun. I could do it with a weapon name, but I think ID is a better idea. Yeah, let me add the night mode. So I don't need the weapon struct array here. Weapon struct. Nope. So now, when I initiate weapon, I just put this stuff up. Like music Twitch? Not. I'm just assigning the weapon stuff. Should have set the variables. Oh no. Okay, something is wrong today. It's a little bit off. I'm just wondering if I'm constantly thinking about better ideas. Yeah, it's not productive. Maybe you can build something like 4 branch stuff. Say, okay, yeah, after we did this, that sequence. Oh, here, I can work with this. Which there was something.
Sorry, Snoopy. You can't go with us. Dogs aren't allowed on the school bus. Woof.
They enum? Probably not. So we could use it the old way.
Listen, all you New Yorkers.
What? Oh no. Yeah, okay. Name. I mean, it's working, right? Still, when I'm using 4 or 5 items, should be okay. There will be better ways to do it, for sure, but not today, for me.
And that is, everything around you that you call life was made up by people that were no smarter than you.
initiate weapon. And we could call functions.
All hung up on imaginary problems. You gotta focus on what's real, man.
Come on. Okay, this... That is working.
Today, we honor a man who has been an inspiration to our citizens.
I have to learn to think loud. Okay, yeah, I get it. Yeah, I have an idea about the spraying stuff, and I will figure it out. How late it is? Okay, so for today I'm done. It wasn't that good. I hope. I hope that I could do more, but I don't know. Not today. I think I'm going to check some kind of some more weapon spray functions. How other game did it before. Yeah, I don't know. It's think so great things, and you start and you think, what shit. Okay, yeah, I will, maybe I will ask my brother first for some math calculation stuff, and I will think about the, using the cone. Yeah, I will try it. I will think about it. Probably I'll find a good solution, and we'll build it tomorrow. I think at the same time, about 8 or 9. And yeah, we'll fix my my Twitter link. Thank you for that. Alright, so thank you for watching, guys, and see you probably tomorrow. Bye.